Hey, Jeff from Sweet Sounds here today. Just finished up doing a set of our premium carbon fiber heated seats in this 2022 Ram 2500 Bighorn. Came in from our friends over at Armz Plumbing. Got any plumbing needs, give them a holler. Great people, definitely can help you out. Now, of course, this vehicle came with a set of the heated seats in the front, but the passengers in the back did not get to enjoy any of that warmth. So they brought it down to us to get a set of our heated seat kits installed. So we went ahead and installed the premium kits on both the passenger and the driver's rear seat. Full coverage on both of those back seats. So you're going to get both the bottom and the back full coverage. And using the carbon fiber kits, they fit very well. You really don't even notice that they're there, of course, until you turn them on and you start feeling warm and toasty all over. So let's go ahead and climb in here and take a look at what the premium kit is. Now, anytime we're working with the premium kit, we always try to take the time to find the absolute best location for the control knobs. And the premium kits come with a 7-position knob for your heat selection, and they are a lighted knob. So this knob here and this knob here are what we added. As you can see, they pretty much look like they came from the factory on this vehicle. They look fantastic on there. Fit, finish, form, everything blends in real well. And these are a lighted knob. So I'm going to turn this on here, and you can actually see the little LEDs on that. I'm going to go ahead and flip off my auxiliary light to get a little bit better idea of what it looks like in here normally as far as how they look when they're lit up. You can see the little bit of a blue light there, and then you can see the little red for where the selector is on each one of them. Let's go ahead and turn this external light back on so we can see everything a little bit better. So these ones, got a little extra lucky on this one. We don't always have them come on during factory remote start runtime, but in this particular vehicle, we did have access to an ignition wire that was capable of powering enough current that we used them to also turn on the heated seats in here. So anytime they activate the factory remote start and they leave these knobs in an on position, the rear seats will go ahead and warm up anytime the remote start is activated. So that's another nice feature on there. So if you are looking at getting a set of heated seats, whether you want to go with our standard style or you want to go with the premium carbon fiber setup like you see in this vehicle here with the additional heat settings and the nicer control knobs, give the experts here at Sweet Sounds a call, Mankato, Minnesota, 507-345-8863, or check out some of our other jobs we've done on our website, sweetsounds.com. If you love this video, be sure to like and subscribe for other content we like to post up every once in a while. Take care.